Hi everyone! In this video, I'll show you how to download and install Visual Studio Code on your Lenovo laptop running Windows 11. Visual Studio Code, also known as VS Code, is a free code editor developed by Microsoft. It's widely used for programming in languages like Python, Java, C, C++, JavaScript, and many others. To begin, open your web browser and search for Visual Studio Code. So now we have to go to this first link that appears in our browser, which does not have any ad tag to it. So if there is an ad tag, we have to skip that link. Let's directly go to the code.visualstudio.com. Here we can see a huge download button, which is used to download Visual Studio Code. So now we have all of the options for different machines. Since we are working on the Windows machine, we are going to download VS Code for a Windows machine, and we click on the download button. After the download is complete, open the installer. Accept the license agreement, keep the default installation settings, and continue by clicking Next until you reach the Install button. If you'd like a desktop shortcut, you can enable that option before starting the installation. Wait a few moments while Visual Studio Code installs on your laptop. When the installation is finished, click Finish and VS Code will launch automatically. The first time you open VS Code, you can choose your preferred theme. So you can then create a new file and start writing your code right away. That's it. This is how you can download and install Visual Studio Code on a Lenovo laptop with Windows 11. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and press the notification bell for more Lenovo laptop tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.